Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register on NaukriGulf. NaukriGulf is a popular job search website using in Gulf and Middle East country. It helps job seekers find job and connect with employees. Now let's see how to create an account on NaukriGulf. First, open the NaukriGulf app and tap on register or login if you have already created an account. If you are new, you will have to fill your full name, email address and mobile number, and you need to create a strong password for your account. After creating an account, a verification code will send to your phone or Gmail. After verification, log into your account, fill in details like your education, work experience, skills, and preferred job location. Also provide correct information, upload a clear and updated CV, complete your profile fully to get the better job opportunity. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.